I'm moving on. Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on, moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on.
Saw this girl out here doing this earlier.
Are you an art major? No, just a sand sculptor.
Did you do this?
I did.
Very nice. I saw you out here doing it earlier. Okay, she does a YouTube channel, Sandcastle University. She did an awesome, it's a walrus. Awesome.
You just put that in. We'll pop
Okay.
right up. Marty, because it's a Mardi Gras manatee.
Ah,
Marty the manatee, and it's Mardi Gras themed.
Marty the manatee.
M-A-R-D-I.
Okay,
So,
pretty awesome. I saw you down here with the hose and doing
yeah,
all that. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Marty the manatee. Marty the manatee. And I've got her channel. I'll pass it on to you. And at the beach again. And this is Sandcastle University. She's used to everybody standing around. She got her earbuds in. Hey, what happened to the other one?
They got smashed.
Oh, did it? Somebody did it for you, or?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Oh, really? Now you said you do teach groups.
Classes, yes sir.
Class. How much do they run usually?
Sure. So private class, hour long, 1 to 5 people is $150, and then it just goes up in group size from then. But the private classes, we come to you and we bring all the stuff needed.
Oh wow, that's awesome. So you could actually come to somebody's beach house and
Yeah,
they
beach,
put
condo,
something, or
beach if they're staying, you know, not beachside or something. But
yeah. So this is a pelican.
it is.
Now, do you ever do time lapse of yours?
I do, usually for commissions, right?
Right.
Practice sculptures, I'm just kind of in the zone, sculpting,
Right.
moving the camera around a lot. I'll do little things,
Right.
not a full-time.
Well, I went last night, subscribed to your channel, and well, I congratulate you. It's really, really good. Really good.
I'm trying to decide if I want to smooth this out or if I want to make some drips.
Well, that looks like that water coming down out of there. You know how it, when he does grab a fish and it kind of flows out of its mouth. Yeah.
It was an accident, but it turned out good.
Oh yeah, I thought you did it on purpose.
Now on to feathers, which is going to be.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Okay.
Congratulations, that's really awesome. Well, it is 40s in the 40s today on this beautiful white beach, sandy beach of Gulf Shores. They've got this little ramp here. I'm on the sand though. I want to get the sand in my feet. They got this little ramp here for the wheelchairs and other people to make it a access, and they got actually trash cans out here. But it's cold, I guarantee it. The water is clear, and because it is no surf and nothing blowing around, we get a lot of Gulf Shores though can get real muddy Gulf because of all the stuff that comes out of Mobile Bay. That's why Destin and all these other places got beautiful water. They don't have a bay to push all that mud out of. I gotta see how cold that water is. Hold this up here.
You better pull your pants up.
That's chilly. Water's chilly. I took a walk out in it a few minutes ago and it was chilly. I gotta see how cold that water is. Hold this up here.
kill it.